You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is at 44.7k level with this retracement to the downside. And also on the 4-hour chart, I talk about this retracement coming into the market right now. And on the 1-day chart, ETH, we see this retracement from this level of resistance. Also on the 4-hour chart on ETH, we see a breakout on this trend line, which is a support line to the downside. On the Bitcoin dominance, this move to the downside is what caused the Bitcoin price to go right down and also ETH price to go right down. So what are we expecting now in the market? Are we going to see the market from this area go up? And what will be the impact on ETH and BTC? All of these and more in today's video, so watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Right here on the BTC USDT 1-day chart, after this breakout with this very bullish candle, I said you should not take a trade. That an imminent retracement will come into the market, and after the retracement, it will give a nice move for the market to move to the upside. And right now, we are seeing the market coming into the market exactly as I predicted. And if you come right here and pick the Fibonacci retracement to know the possible area where this retracement will pause before the next impulsive move into the market, if you draw from here, that is, you draw from swing low to swing high at this very area, you will see that the market is at this level of 0.382 right there on the Fibonacci, which is also one of the important level we do watch on the Fibonacci to know the end of retracement. But right now, what you should be watching is the 0.50 and the 0.618 level, because the market have tendency of coming right to this very level of 0.50. And what I am looking out for right now is if the market break out on this very resistance line to the downside, then that means it is inevitable that the market is going to come right down to this level, that is 0.50 level at this area. And once we see the market come into this level of 0.50, then look for a bullish candle to the upside that will signify that the bulls are ready to move the market to the upside. So what I am looking out for right now is the market to come right down, then we should have retracement within this area before we see the next continuation of the next impulsive move in the market. So this is what I am looking out for right now in the market. Market have capacity of moving from this area on this very resistance that will come support at this very level to the upside. So except we see a breakdown with a bearish close below this very line, then that means market is going to come down into this 0.50 level on the Fibonacci. So this is what I'm looking out for right now for the end of retracement on this pullback in the market right now before the next impulse in the market on the BTC USD 1-day chart. Right here on the 4-hour chart, if you notice very well, I have been talking about retracement coming into the market for the past 4 days. And after this breakout right there on this very strong resistance level, we did not see any move in the market for the past 4-5 days. And right now, market is down. So we want to see the market go up a little bit, then come back down again. So I want to see the market go back down a little bit, even make this point a resistance before the market will come back down to this level of support. So right now, what you should be expecting and what you should be looking out for is a fail swing. So if we do not see a fail swing in the market, then that means market will continue to go to the downside. But a fail swing will signify that the bears are out of the market and the bulls are ready to move the market either from this area to the upside, or if we see a fail swing and the market pause around this area, and the market will move to the upside as well. So what you should be watching right now is the market will move up, but this move to the upside will not create a new higher than the previous high at this area. I'm still expecting the market to go up, then come back down a little bit to retest this level of support before we will see the market move up again. Market may go below this level of support to the downside if we see a bearish candle that closed below this very level of support on this very time frame. So this is what I am also looking out for and paying attention to on the BTC USDT 4-hour chart. On the ETH USDT 1-day chart here, you know that at this very level of resistance, I've been also talking about this very area that retracement will give a nice move into the market again. And right now, this level of resistance, you need to pay much more attention to this very level of resistance that will turn support right here, because if we break below this level of resistance, then that means market have tendency of coming back to this very level right here on this resistance right here, support right here, that will turn support at this very point if we see the market go through this very level of resistance that will turn support at this area. So what I am looking out for right now is market to come back into this area and then find support and begin to move to the upside. If you see a breakdown on this level of resistance right here, then that means market can go down to this very level of support and then find strength or find momentum from this area and go to the upside. So right now, you have to be paying attention to the end of retracement for the next continuation with the next impulsive move. So this is what you should be looking out for or paying attention to in the market at the moment. ETH USDT 4-hour chart, I talk about if the market break out on this support line, which is a trend line, then that means market will go back right down to this very level of support. So I want the market to move up a little bit in form of a retracement before we see the market go back right down, until we see a fail swing as well on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart. Then that means market will continue down to this level of support and find support around this area before we could see the next continuation from this area right here or this very point to the upside. It will find resistance where the market resists at this very area in the past. So this is what I am looking out for right now on ETH USDT 4-hour chart. And on the Bitcoin dominance, I talked about yesterday that if we continue to see the market go right down, that we will see BTC right here go right down and also ETH come right down as well. And the exact same thing right here we are seeing in the market right now. You see the market continue to go back to the downside and ETH is right down here and also Bitcoin is also down. So what are we expecting now on the Bitcoin dominance in relation to what we are anticipating for on ETH USDT and BTC USDT? Right now, I want the market to see go back down a little bit to the downside. Once we see the market pause and an increase in volume with a significant bullish candle, then that means market is going to go up again. And this will happen very fast. I want the market to go down and pause around this area before we see the next move into the market. So once we see the market begin to move to the upside, then BTC is going to move as well to the upside and also ETH is going to move to the upside. Remember, the move that will happen on ETH and Bitcoin is a retracement. Don't expect the market to just fly to the upside and break this level of resistance on BTC and also on ETH. So that is what I am looking out for right now on the Bitcoin dominance in relation to ETH USDT, BTC USDT on the immediate short term. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. If you want to enroll for the Remit Trade intensive cryptocurrency course and mentorship program and learn simple technical analysis and how to do market prediction, check the contacts in the description of this video right now and do your registration right away. Thank you very much for watching today's video and I will see you in the next video.